the necessary items into the basket. Pineapples, yeast. Perfect. Garlic. Well done. Eggs. Perfect. Halfway through. A lemon. Right. Cheese. Perfect. Ham. Correct. Well done. And to make some pizza, we need to grate this. Peel some garlic. Prepare some sauce for our pizza. Now, mix the sauce. Hurrah! The sauce is ready. Some dough. Let's flatten it now. Hurrah! It's starting to look like a pizza. Now it's time for topping. Awesome! The pizza is almost ready. Now, let's pop the pizza in the oven. Tap the screen for the pizza to cook faster. Just a little left. Hurrah! The pizza's ready. We need to find where our friend lives. Looks like it's over there. Let's hurry to our friend. Drive fast, Bear. Watch out! A log ahead. Watch out! Oh no! The car's covered in snow. Watch out! A snowdrift ahead. Watch out! Cones ahead. Our friends cut the pizza in slices. Now, give everyone a slice. Well done! Everyone's full and happy. Tap the present to open it. Hurrah! You've got new pizza ingredients.